The following content has pretty strong language. Parental guidance is recommended for people who are under 18 years of age. वैसे भी ये सब बोल के क्या फ़ायदा? तुम लोग तो गाइडलाइंस फॉलो नहीं करने वाले हो, तो देखो देखो, गो ऑन. Why video call him?
Because the setup takes time. The only time he's under sight is when he video calls by the window. I guess that's because of the poor signal in this shithole suburb.
So, you want to keep him engaged while you do your thing. That's fine and all, but can't anybody else do this?
You're welcome if you want to join. I bet the manager will clear out a host of appointments for you.
I could keep him engaged for the entire time.
No. I want to talk to him.
Why?
You know how I like to play with my own food.
So, when can I expect the job to be complete?
If I gave the impression that I have already accepted the job, I have not. We will review the particulars of your assignment and then let you know in a couple of days.
No, you know my target. Your manager had told me that it was a done deal. देखिए साहब, अब आप ना नहीं बोल सकते हो.
I'm sorry, sir, he shouldn't have. I always make the final call about the job. I always take it and I never say yes this early. और honestly ऐसे assignments में normally लेता भी नहीं. So you should give me some time.
तो मेरे ऑफर सुन के आप मेरे ऊपर एहसान करना चाहते हो? Is that what you're trying to say?
मंत्री जी, you're absolutely right.
Listen up carefully. My contractors never say no to me. आप शायद मुझे ठीक से पहचानते नहीं हो.
आपने मेरे जैसे कपल वालों के साथ बात की है ना रिसेंटली?
हाँ, तो लोगों को तो लॉकडाउन शुरू होने के बाद ही उड़ाए हैं.
उनसे ऐसे ही बात हुई थी क्या?
तुम बोलना क्या चाहते हो?
बताइए ना.
हाँ, अभी तो बात पक्की. ये स्काइप से ही तो होती है.
स्काइप जैसा स्कोप हमारी कम्युनिटी की स्पेशल वीडियो कॉलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. खैर वो सब छोड़िए. मतलब मास्क वास्क पहने हुए थे क्या?
हाँ, चेहरा छुपाए हुए थे घूंघट की तरह.
Then why am I not doing it? Am I really so stupid कि एक डील करूँगा without protecting my own identity? Why? Your rationale behind threatening me could have been one of two things. One, you have no idea कि मैं कौन हूँ, और ये ना जानते हुए आपने बेसिक कोई होमवर्क ना किए ऐसे ही हायर कर लिया आपने मुझको. टू, यू नो वेरी वेल हू द फक आई एम, और ये जानते हुए आपने मुझको धमकाया. वेरी वेरी पुअर डिसीजन मेकिंग ऑन बोथ काउंट्स. आप मंत्री जी हैं, देश आपके कंधों में है. Use your brains next time. As I said before, I will get back to you in a couple of days regarding the status of your assignment. Bye. What the fuck यार रघु?
बोल.
किसी को भी उठा के लगा क्या क्लाइंट के नाम पे? What the fuck was this last guy?
25 दे रहा था इस मार्केट पे. Can you really afford to भगाओ him?
सुना भी था तूने हाँ बोलने से पहले.
भाई, मैं 25 सुनकर हाँ बोल दिया. कंपनी अकाउंट से जब तूने 2 करोड़ उठाया था तब मैंने इतना सवाल किया था तुझसे.
यार I've told you ना, I'll get it all back. हर बार why do you bring it up every time?
Not the point. We need money. अभी हायर भी कौन कर रहा है? वैसे था क्या असाइनमेंट?
It's funny. So, Minister Saab has some whistle blower types. So of course उसको उड़ाना था, तो लोग भेजे थे, उन्होंने गुंडे भेजे थे फ्लैट में. गुंडों को पता नहीं चला क्यों गार्ड बोल रहे थे अरे यार कहाँ जा रहे हो कहाँ जा रहे हो, गार्ड को उड़ा दिया और चूतियों ने बिल्कुल फ्लैट के अंदर घुस गए। फ्लैट वॉज एम्प्टी कंप्लीटली फॉर सम रीजन और चूतियों ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से तलाशी ली फ्लैट की। बाद में पता चला कि 2 days बिफोर दैट whistleblower was found positive for the virus. So not only the whistleblower तो अभी हॉस्पिटल में health is improving. The gundas are now also in quarantine and Mr. Saab has nobody left.
तो तेरा जॉब क्या है?
Now this dude, Mr. Saab, he wants me to blow up the hospital and make it look like some fucking gas leak.
तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आई थिंक कैनिस्टर के माल से परसों किसी ने किसी को उड़ाया था। बात करता हूँ उससे, 2 दिन में एक्सप्लोजिव तो बना ही देगा।
वो पॉइंट नहीं है यार, कब समझेगा तू? When will you get it?
गेट वॉट?
कंपनी का पॉलिसी यार। हमारी कंपनी का नाम क्या है बता?
क्या चुतियापा है यार मीडियम।
Say it.
अवतार।
Exactly. और फिलोसफी क्या है कंपनी की?
एवरी किल इज पर्सनल।
Exactly. Every kill is personal. To take a soul, you need to know the soul, right? इसीलिए तो हम बस पर्सनल टारगेट्स लेते हैं यार। फादर्स, मदर्स, वाइफ्स, लवर्स, सन्स, डॉटर्स, ओल्ड टीचर्स, चाइल्डहुड बुलीज, अब्यूजर्स, इमोशनली चार्ज्ड किल्स है यार ये चीज, शेयर ब्यूटी ऑफ इट तुझको बॉम्ब में मिलेगा।
देख, तेरे ये नीचे क्लाइंट की लाइन अभी गायब है। लॉकडाउन इंडिफिनिट है, तब तक क्या करें? 4 मंथ हो गए हैं स्टार्टअप खोले हुए, एक भी इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट नहीं मिला।
रशिया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज स्टिल लाइव, दे जस्ट पोस्टपोन्ड इट।
लॉकडाउन के बीच में जा भी पाएगा तू?
तू टेंशन लेना मत कर, रशिया विल डेफिनेटली पे हेवीली।
भाई, हमारी फाइनेंस की जो हालत है ना, इट बेटर वॉट एवर। 2 और कॉल अटेंड करना है तुझे, नेक्स्ट एचआर की कॉल है।
एचआर राठौड़?
कितने एचआर को जानते हैं हम?
बीवी को लेके अभी भी नाराज है क्या वो?
पता नहीं, पैसे वापस मांग सकता है लेकिन।
डू इट, कॉल कनेक्ट कर, आई सी।
Hello, Medium. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Never better. By the way, how is your startup going? Avtar, is it?
It has been slow so far, but we are starting to attract clients now. So
Oh, yes. Heard of it. So, blowing up hospitals and making it look like a gas leak is not your thing, right?
so you were behind the minister, huh?
Oh, the minister loved the idea. I thought I will push him towards you, considering the fact that you have a wonderful experience with fake gas leaks.
See, this is why I left the agency HR, just because of this bullshit that you bring to the table. Your wife did die in a genuine gas leak. It was an accident just before I got to her. I'm sorry I didn't kill her. Okay, I genuinely am. I wanted to, just like we planned, but it did not pan out. Okay, होता है यार, it was an accident, just a coincidence. Just accept it, man.
You know how I don't believe in those. Half an hour before you are supposed to kill her, my wife just goes poof.
What exactly is in your mind, HR? I think it's time you said it out loud, you know. I'm just so fed up, so fucking fed up of this completely unwarranted suspicion. I don't understand this at all.
I have always been wary of this ability of yours to get into your client's mind and become your client. Anyway, not the point of this. I want my advance back.
No.
You did not kill.
Agreed. My first ever failure, it haunts me too. Okay? But the advance HR was for the therapy session which we completed. And trust me, HR, it was not really a fun time for me. It was not exactly a pleasure to get inside your head. You know? So, yeah. I deserve every single paisa that was there in that advance. Okay? I'm not giving it back to you.
If you say so. Anyway, Agenda 2. You will do the next one for free.
What do you mean?
A young and promising assassin that we have. I just mailed you the deeds.
You've emailed it. What the fuck? It's not a target.
No. She's having a psychological problem regarding her next task. You are the closest to being a therapist for killers that I can think of. So I forwarded her session to you. Help her get through this, and I will forgive you.
You'll forgive me. I don't need forgiveness.
Do it.
Hi.
Your hair looks different.
Okay.
No, seriously. It looks horrendous.
Sorry, I guess.
Quarantine cut.
Yeah.
Trimmed it yourself? I thought you were good at cutting things down.
Well, not hair, apparently.
Clearly.
Anyway. Alright. Give me a moment here, okay? So. Headshot. Original codename. Is that indicative of how you like to do things?
Do you mean to ask if I'm a sniper?
Yes.
Well, I'm not just a sniper, but I'm also really good at close quarter kills. There have been 4 cases which people think are natural deaths. And yeah, I have had 15 high profile targets, all terminated via headshots.
Military background, huh?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, like it's a bit difficult for me. I've never actually done this before, so
What? Therapy? I thought you were famous for that.
well, when it's a part of the killing process, I have never actually done this, only this in isolation. You know, normally, it's I do this therapy because there's something to look forward to.
Foreplay to roleplay, you mean?
What? It's nothing of that sort.
You do the therapy to get the psyche of the client so that when you kill the target, you kill it the way the client would have done it. Am I right?
Yes.
Sounds like roleplay.
Moving on. So I hear you have a problem with a target.
Yup.
What sort is it? It's a emotional problem, or is it a technical problem?
What do you mean?
What I mean to ask is, are you having a problem with the idea of killing him, or with the logistics of it?
Oh no, I can kill him very easily if I want to.
So you don't want to?
I guess, yup.
You know this guy?
I know of him.
So what's stopping you?
Well, he's really close to a friend of mine, but he doesn't know me.
You have many friends?
A few, not a lot.
So then this friend means something to you.
You could say that.
By executing this target, do you think you'll upset your friend?
She wouldn't know that I had done it, but still.
It's okay. It's okay, it's natural to worry about friends. We're all humans too. Actually,
His name is Avasthi.
I didn't ask you the name of your target.
Whatever. Thought I could say it loud. Can you give me a second? The signal here is really poor.
No, yeah, that's fine. I'm getting a call myself. Yeah, so yeah.
What are you doing?
Did you call me to ask this? I was playing with him. Now just fuck off and let me do my work.
Well, you are now starting to mess with mine. What was all that?
Arey yaar, I was just being spontaneous. Don't you know how I work? And वैसे भी, I think he knows about me and Lakshmi.
I will remind you again. This assignment will decide how the agency views you in the future.
Relax, will you? Even I want that bonus badly. Now shoo, I want to finish setting this up and get it done as quickly as possible.
What if he leaves position? You will lose the shot then.
He won't. Trust me on that.
क्या बे, मीटिंग था ना तेरा?
रघु, do something for me. जल्दी, ठीक है? Dr. Saransh Avasthi. He's in our books. Check him up. Give me details. What his present scenario is. ठीक है? He's alive. He's dead. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे आ गए हैं सडनली उसके अकाउंट में कुछ भी. Okay, he should be easy to look up. Just look it up as fast as I can. I'll wait.
ओके, तू ठीक है?
No, I'm not okay.
बता फिर क्यों, क्या हुआ?
तुझको बताऊंगा तो HR तुझको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, ठीक है? There's no point. Just do what I tell you.
देख भोसड़ी के, HR वाली असाइनमेंट के बाद से कुछ चल रहा है, आई नो. तूने एजेंसी छोड़ के स्टार्टअप खोल दिया और फिर रातों रात हमारा पैसा गायब. आई एम नॉट एन इडियट मैन. आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू. बोल ना.
चैनल सिक्योर है.
हाँ बे.
I did not kill लक्ष्मी. वो मॉस्को में है अभी. मॉर्ग से डेड बॉडी उठाया था, बाकी गैस लीक.
और DNA?
डॉक्टर सारांश अवस्थी, पैथोलॉजिस्ट.
बहनचोद, वाई?
यार HR ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो ज़रूर लगाया था, बट एंड ही डज हेट हर टू सम डिग्री, बट ही लव्स हर टू यार. So it affected me. You know how vulnerable I am in these therapy sessions. मुझे नहीं लगता था कि HR really wanted her dead. और that stuck with me. The way he was talking about her. fascinated me, man. And I don't know, I wanted to meet her. So I went. I know it was a bad idea, but I went, and then before I knew it, I told her everything. बिल्कुल भी डरी नहीं थी यार वो. She was so calm. And I didn't know what to do. She told me that she has some accounts in Russia, Moscow में, that HR did not know about. So I had to get her that.
तो ये था रशियन असाइनमेंट.
बहुत खर्चे हुए यार. I had to write so many people, I lost count. And तब जाके उसको सेफली पहुंचा पाए हम. Recently she told me that there was this account that she had been able to unfreeze, and मुझे लगा था तुझको भी वहीं से तेरा शेयर दे दूंगा.
और तू भाग जाता, राइट? ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं ले ली तूने. तुझको तो पहले ही भाग जाना चाहिए था.
That was the plan. अब तक मैं नहीं रहता ना यहाँ पे, पर जो पैंडेमिक आ गया.
भाभी जी ने कब खोला था अकाउंट?
It's about 2 months ago. भाई कुछ आया?
मेरा ये कांटेक्ट बोल रहा है पिछले 2 महीने से तेरा ये डॉक्टर गायब है.
रघु, ध्यान से मेरी बात सुन. Listen to me. You need to disappear now. You need to go underground now. Don't protest. अभी evolve हो जा. Okay? तेरे पैसे तेरे को मिल जाएंगे. I guarantee that. Okay? You will get your fucking money. Now you need to leave. जहाँ पे भी है, wherever you are, whatever the fuck kind of situation you are in, I want you out of there in 5 minutes. Now go. Scramble.
Sorry, it was taking longer than 10 minutes, so
I've heard about you. You know?
yeah.
I've heard that you like to psychologically play with your victims before. Yeah. Is that what this is?
You got me.
Well, it's okay. I pretty much guessed everything you were saying was bullshit anyway. This is the point in, keeping me alive, because you'll never get Lakshmi's location from me. I don't know it myself, and you won't find her ever. I request leave Raghu out of this. My manager, he didn't know. He had nothing at all to do with this.
The contract is only for you.
You're outside this window, aren't you?
You have a pretty head, I must say.
I thought it was weird.
No, the haircut actually is.
I at least wanted to die pretty. They have those exploding tip bullets.
Of course, you got to be sure.
Are you an ugly dead body? Yeah.
They are all ugly.
No, they're not. Once I have killed, beautifully dead.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen with my target. I'm afraid.
HR regrets to inform you, Vinod Pathak, that you're fired. Game over.
You know how I like to play with my own food.